Here are my NQ trades for the day. Started off early in the morning with a short setting up, price away from the moving averages with an overbought, sold 2 with 4 tick profit on the first target, and tightened my stop immediately. Again, move the stop one more time, and as soon as the first target is hit, I move to break even +1. Actually, I moved to break even. Now I'm looking at a target of retesting of the lows of 29.30. I put it 1 tick above, and it moves, but unfortunately not quite enough to get the target that I want. So this one, actually I moved it down to the blue moving average, 29.25, and of course you ended up hitting that price, but not on this trade. Price came back. I'm going to move this forward so the video won't be too long, and it just up and down. Of course, anytime in here I am plus 200. I exit all trades and stop for the day, but that was too early for that with 2 contracts. Went close to the 29.75, but ended up, no, actually this one did hit the target. Okay, so that's plus 100 on that trade number 1. Okay, then second trade coming up soon. Here I'm looking for a short test of the moving average and an overbought on the RSI, and those trades do look scary when you take them, as it looks like it's going all the way up to 3,000 within the next 15-20 minutes, but it doesn't do that. It just comes right back toward the direction of the moving averages in the trend. I put some lines in here which I'll explain in a few minutes, but I'll go ahead and watch this trade for now. It's still moving up. Again, I'm waiting for the RSI to reach 70. And I would have liked to take it over here, which ended up being the case anyway. I'm still waiting for the RSI, and we're not there yet. And we're there, and I'm short. And immediately it gives me my 4 ticks. Move to break even. And again, in a day like this, I don't want to trail too tight because of the volatility involved in those major trend days. Target down to 24.50. move to break even plus 1, and this one does come back and stop me at break even plus 1. That's a total of 5 ticks on the trade. The goal on each trade is just to make 4 ticks and move to break even or break even plus 1, 5 ticks. And if it does trend and go my way, then I'll make 20 and 30 and 40 pips, 40 ticks. But most of them end up being 4 ticks, 5 ticks. Okay, I'm going to move this forward. And we stopped 125. So I am looking again for a retest, a hook. Well, no, this is all gone now. I'm going to go ahead and explain those lines in here. This trade I did not take because the price is too close to the moving average. Again, the idea is to move away from the moving averages and hit an oversold and overbought on the RSI, and take the trade against the RSI and moving average. So this one was just too close, so I passed on it. Number 2 and 3, even though they worked out, both trades end up making money. As you can see, number 2, we close over here with the RSI reaching oversold, and I would have taken the trade over here, and from here to here we are looking into 4 ticks. So it's been a 4 plus 1, 5 ticks total. And the same thing down here, we would have taken the trade over here. I know this is hard to tell because you don't know which went first, but if the price would have opened over here and it did go 4 ticks, and I'm showing it right here, it did go 4 ticks in my favor, so both of those trades would have worked out. But I do not trade between 8:30 and 8:45. I never take those trades, and you see a slight divergence here. Usually I never take those divergence trades anyway, but they help when they exist. So the only reason I didn't take those is because we are at the open market open, which I do not trade. At 8:45 is when I start trading again. So I wanted to show those lines quickly and explain them. I'm going to move forward. I think we have a long setting up. Price went down, touched the bands, and the RSI oversold, tightened the stop immediately, and I'm going to move forward some. I do have a stop in here. I just wanted to show that not all trades do go my way and make money immediately. There are some stops, obviously, and I will show the stop here in a few minutes. But this one ended up working out anyway. This was a good trade. Okay, first target, break even plus 1, and I'm stopped at break even. Okay, now usually we have a hook down with the RSI and hook up again, and that's a good trade as well, a good buy. Yeah, I'm looking for the hook. And no, I didn't take it. Okay, we're setting up again, price away from moving averages, RSI oversold, about to hit the line, ready to buy, and tend to, when you have major trend days like today and yesterday, I would like to really see the line cross on the RSI. I want to see a strong cross down or up before I take the trade. I just don't want to take a touch on ranging days. A touch of the line is sufficient to take the trade, but on those strong trending days you really wanted to either move the line down to 20 and 80, or just see a strong cross before you, or a cross on a hook even, before you take the trade. Hope that makes sense. Okay, so still waiting, almost there. And I believe this is the one I got stopped in anyway. There was a stop in there for me. Okay, I'm long. Yeah, this is the one I got stopped. Again, the line wasn't quite touched yet, and it's easy to see now after the fact, but this ended up being a stop, I believe. Should have taken it here somewhere. That would give me more room. And I should be stopped any minute. I did tighten my stop a little bit. I think I moved it into the stop because I realized that I took it too early, and I just went ahead and stopped myself. Yeah, I moved it, and I'm out with a loss. Then looking at it again, I'm looking for a hook. As soon as that hooks up, I'm in. I'm long. This one does work immediately. Tighten the stop, and it goes my way immediately. Well, not quite, but it does. Okay, so tighten my stop again at target 1, break even +1, and came back and took my stop. Okay, so looking for another hook. Price is way off the moving average now, so I am yeah. No, I didn't take it. There's another one right here. I'm looking for the cross of the line and hook down, and that's when I take the trade. Yeah, this one got first target, and then this one over here, I'm going to go ahead and pause. If you notice that the platform froze up again. It's shown 2 as a stop, even though it took the first one. This is supposed to be only one contract, because the first one is already taken. So I see a problem in here, and I ended up getting out of the position altogether. Hit the flatten button. So because I don't know what's going on, I immediately exit the trade, and I hit the flatten button, and I only took 40. But if you look at the trade over here, the price continued. This is just a picture of what happened after the fact. It did continue up, and I would have just wrote this up all the way to my level. So that's it for the day. I ended up stopping at 175, usually 200, but today just did not. It looked like a strong trending day, and this setup doesn't really work well with strong trending days. It works with more trading range type of day, but it does work nonetheless. You just have to be more selective with the trades and wait for further extremes in the RSI, the 20 and 80 instead of 70 and 30. Thank you. Bye bye.